Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ask questions on Tinder. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Tinder on your device. On the home page, swipe right to like a profile. And if two parties like each other's profiles, a match is formed. Once you have a match, you can start chatting with each other. So tap the chat icon at the bottom right and tap your match. Here, tap the message field and enter the question you want to ask and tap send. And that's how you ask questions on Tinder. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.